What's good, YouTube? Tracy, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can freeze your location for Find My Phone, Snapchat, or Life360. It doesn't matter. It will literally work on any apps that takes your location. So if you want to freeze your location, the first step I'm going to tell you what you have to do is turn on airplane mode on. This is literally the best way. They're literally gonna, if they go on their phone right now, it's literally gonna show my location for Life360, Snapchat, everything like that shares my location. Find My Phone, for every single one of them is gonna show freeze, right? And the second thing you could do is if you want to turn it off completely, what you have to do firstly is go on settings, right? Now, once you go to settings, what you have to do is scroll down till you find privacy and security, right? Once you click on this, you have to click on location service. So from here, you could do three things, right? The first thing you could do, you could turn it off, right? Once you turn it off, your location will be completely off. So once you go back to Live360, they could see that you turned your location off. But if you wanna turn your location off, like pause it, but like without showing them that you stopped it, what you have to do is click on the app you want to turn your location off first. So let's say right here, if you're sharing on Live360, Snapchat, whatever, right? What you have to do is just click on the app, and instead of while using the app, what you have to do is click on never. For every single one, just click on never. Just click on never. Boom. And once you do that, your location should be off for every single app. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you guys need any help, make sure to leave a comment down below.